If you're sending money, the four biggest apps are Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and Zelle. They all let you send money fast, but they're built for completely different use cases. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down. Cash App is all about simplicity and extra features. You can send money instantly, get a debit card, and even buy stocks or Bitcoin directly in the app. It's very popular with younger users and side hustlers because it's fast and easy to use. But it lacks strong buyer protection, and instant transfers can come with fees. Venmo is designed for social payments. It has a built-in social feed, a bill-splitting feature, and is great for paying friends or roommates. It's one of the most widely used apps for casual payments, especially in the U.S. However, privacy can be a concern if settings aren't adjusted, and like Cash App, protection for purchases is limited unless you use specific payment types. PayPal is the most complete platform. It works for sending money, online shopping, and even running a business. It also offers strong buyer and seller protection, making it the safest option for transactions with strangers or online purchases. The downside is higher fees, especially for business transactions and card payments. Zelle is the fastest and most direct. It's built into many banking apps and sends money straight from one bank account to another in minutes, usually with no fees. But there's a catch once you send money. It's very hard to reverse, and there's basically no purchase protection. So which one wins? It depends on what you need. Choose Cash App if you want a simple app with extra features like investing. Choose Venmo if you mainly send money to friends and want easy splitting tools. Choose PayPal if you need security, global payments, or online shopping protection. Choose Zelle if you want fast, no-fee transfers directly between bank accounts. Bottom line, there's no single winner. Cash App is best for features, Venmo for social payments, PayPal for security, and Zelle for speed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.